Ani, happy birthday. Naalala ko nung maliit ka pa, ang bait mo. Isang taong palakit kalahati kita na alagaan. Ngayon ang laki mo na. Sana marami pang kaarawan ang dumating sa buhay mo. Marami. Magkaroon ng maraming blessing sa buhay mo. Makapagtagumpay ka sa iyong pag-aaral, sa iyong mga hangarin sa buhay, sa iyong mga pangarap. Nawa ay ikaw ipatnubayan lagi ng Panginoong Diyos. Mahalin mo lagi ang iyong mga magulang. Huwag kang makakalimot na tumawag sa Panginoon. At ilalayo ka lagi mo sa mga anumang kapahamakan. Lagi kang tatawag sa Kanya. Uni, nalala kita noon. Ang liit mo pa. Ang bilis mong lumaki. Miss you, Uni. Happy birthday. Kahit wala akong pa-birthday sa iyo. Pasensya ka na, ha? Happy birthday uli. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Uni and Tita JB! Uni, finally, welcome to adulthood.
We wish you luck on your future endeavors.
Meron ka naman dalawang ate to guide you on your path to the real world.
And we miss you both so much. And of course, kasama din si Ninong Marcos saka si Sophie. And we wish to see you soon. Stay safe and God bless.
Happy birthday, guys!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Uni! How do you feel now na 18 ka na? I'm sure excited, pero anxious din of what lies ahead ngayong nasa legal age ka na.
Advice namin is just to enjoy every step of the way. And hindi kami nag-worry na you will enjoy responsibly dahil nakita namin kung paano ka lumaki to be a responsible na bata dahil sa guidance ni Mama at ni Papa mo.
Ang wish na lang namin, sweetheart, is that you may be granted all your heart's desires.
Keep shining your light and chasing your dreams.
Happy birthday again!
Uni!
JB, happy birthday! Kahit kami nasa malayo, naalaala namin na birthday mo, birthday ni Uni. Sana, ano man ang design ng puso mo ay i-grant ni Lord. At enjoy your day. Uni, Apo, happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. At enjoy ka lang. At sana, magtagumpay ka sa iyong mga dreams, sa iyong pag-aaral, at sa journey mo, sa iba pang journey mo ng iyong buhay. Love you, Apo. Love you, JB. Blessed kami na nandyan kayo at patuloy na nagmamahala ni Mark. At sana huwag magbago ang pagtitinginan nyo habang buhay. God bless! Ang Papa daw, babati.
Happy birthday sa inyo diyan. Kahit sino pa man.
Si JB at si Uni. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye! Ingat kayo dyan!
Happiest birthday po, Ate Ira. I hope that all of your dreams may come true and that you will have an easy and smooth journey through college and that you enjoy being a young adult. And I also hope that you will succeed in all your dreams or kung ano pong gusto mong maging sa future, like maging flight attendant or whatsoever. And that maging humble, kind, pretty, healthy, and safe ka po always. Love you po. Happy birthday, bestie. Thank you for being such a great friend to me and my sister. As you celebrate your 18th birthday, I wish that you find the greatest things in life. Whatever happens, know that I'm always here for you. To more bondings to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ira. Gala na ulit tayo. Miss na miss ka na namin ni Jamie. And syempre, alam naman natin na super busy natin as a college student. And ayun, enjoyin mo lang yung araw mo. Huwag magpapaka-stress lagi and focus lang lagi sa goal. And yun lang. Happy birthday, Ira Tot!
Hi Ira. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo is more birthday to come. Stay pretty and kind. And good luck sa college journey mo. Alam mo naman na lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo na don't settle for less. Lalo na ako yung best friend mo, be. Huwag ka muna magbo-boyfriend, please lang. Kasi wala na akong ka-partner in crime ba. Kasi pag nagka-jowa ka, doon ka magbo-focus. Diba? Agree sa akin si tita dyan. And yun lang. Good luck sa future flight attendant natin. Good luck! Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Ira. Just want to say happy 18th birthday. May God bless you always, and hopefully all your wishes come true. Again, happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday, Ira. Masaya kami ni Uma para sa'yo at sa family mo. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo, manatiling maging mabuti, maging prepared at maging malakas sa lahat ng mga struggles sa buhay. Lagi mo lang piliin kung ano ang mabuti at mahalaga.
Happy birthday, Ate Ira. Choose happiness. Kung anong karamdam makakapagpasaya sa'yo, gawin mo because we only live once. Good luck sa journey mo and laban lang hanggang sa huli.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy boy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Ate
Ate
Ira.
Anna.
Oh, you kiss na.
Mwah.
Mikana,
Yes, mommy.
eating cake,
No, mommy.
telling lies,
No, mommy.
open your mouth.
Happy 18th birthday, Uni. Este Ira, sana matupad mo lahat ng iyong pangarap at mag-enjoy ka sa iyong birthday. Happy birthday! Say happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday, Ate.
Oh, kiss.
Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ira! God bless you. Enjoy your day. I love you. We love you.
Hello, Uni. Happy 18th birthday.
バースデーおめでとう。成人だね。大人の仲間入り。頑張って。Ingat.
Oh, ayan, si tatay mo yun. Nag-ano na sa'yo, okay? Magsikap sa pag-aaral para maging maganda ang iyong kinabukasan. And ingat lagi, okay? Okay, bye-bye! Happy birthday again! Enjoy your day! Bye!
No, no.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, manta pa, Opi. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you.
Wow. Happy birthday.
To you. A birthday. Birthday to you. A birthday.
Yay! Oh, blow na, blow na. Yay!